So what do you think? This is Joe, sales and marketing contractor for Quality Built Pergolas. This is kind of a nice, I didn't know if the two-tone would work, but I think it does. This is a 12 by 22 pergola, and I'll take you through a quick tour of it. Here's the privacy screen. The owner wanted to change that up and make it more slats and have almost like a tool wall for some of his barbecue implements, so we're going to change that. But I wanted you to kind of see the two-tone nature. I didn't know if I'd like that, but I like it a lot. And then, as you can see, come down through here, and what we do is concrete in the dirt down, and then when we're on concrete, we drill down and put the rebar and the bolts back up into the posts. The owner was going, well, does it just sit there on top of the concrete? Well, it sits there, but it also has some more connections and attachments into the concrete itself, so it's not going anywhere. This is our half of a privacy wall that they wanted, which I think was real nice. And I tell you, the pergola is set up to be a nice breakup, if you will, of sun. So you can be underneath this and have a table, and you're not back here, as you'll probably know, this area was just getting baked under the sun. So you might keep it in mind as far as this might be an option for you, as far as if you're trying to get out of the sun, but you don't want a flimsy awning or an umbrella that's going to tip over. This is going to be a place where they have a lot of their formal, well, not formal, but family get-togethers, and I think it'll be quite enjoyable. So contact us, Quality Built Pergolas. I'll leave a link down there, and ask for Joe. I'm here in Indiana, and if you mention this video, I'll get you a discount on options if you want it. For example, we usually don't put them this close, that we paid extra to have them these across the ceiling here more than what's usual, but we put in the joists and then run the stringers, I'll call them. So that'll give you kind of an idea of this is a, oh, one final thing, one of the more important things is this is a contemporary, this is our style, our contemporary pergola, where there's no, you don't see the rafters. This is where it's all clean lines. I like it. It's a little bit more of a hassle to put in, if you ask Levi, but I like it. I like the looks, and this I think turned out real well. So Quality Built Pergolas, ask for Joe, and we can see if we can't get one in for you. And if you've got a place where the sun is really beating down, this might be a good one. We also do pavilions where there'll be a roof on that, and we got to do some other stuff besides their, the loads. But anyway, we'll talk about that later. But here's the thing of a contemporary pergola by Quality Built Pergolas. This is Joe. Thanks for watching.